Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video. We take a look at dollar yen today on the 1 hourly, which is currently on your screen. And on the dollar yen, what we have is in line with Elliott wave sequence from this low here, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and then a 5. Within 5 in blue. So it's 5 waves in yellow for the intermediate degree within wave 5 in the blue degree, which is the last leg or the C leg of Y, completing the super cycle swing over there in the purple degree. And down from this peak, what we expect is downside. Okay, and we'll be looking to enter short whenever the opportunity presents itself. In today's video, though, my focus is going to be on what the meaning of an impulse is, or what does an impulse mean? So in other words, whenever you see an impulsive move, be it a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what does it mean? For instance, we see an impulse here. What does that mean? So let's start with the recent impulse. Excuse me. One can see what appears to be 5 swings here, a very shallow 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So this impulse, since we consider that the peak at 151.971 is the end of a cycle, then this impulse means a reversal, right? But does an impulse always mean that you should be seeing a reversal? We don't think so. And the reason why we don't think so is because of this section of the chart here. So we've had a swing from down there, the lows of blue wave 4 or primary wave 4 up to, if one was to ignore or if one was to cut this chart such that this information didn't exist, this would have been the peak, right? So in other words, on this day, September 22nd, which was a Thursday, about 9 in the morning, this peak, or down from this peak, this impulse could have also meant that the reversal that which I've just shown on the most recent impulse, right? So this impulse could have also meant a reversal, but it clearly did not, because after this impulse, instead of us getting a pullback and a continuation to the downside, we actually got a move to the upside that came to break above that peak there, where the impulse in this direction would have started a reversal, right? Now, what does that mean? First of all, this impulse, we know it didn't mean a reversal. What it means is every single time you see an impulsive move, you should ask yourself one question: is this impulse part of a flat corrective structure or not? Remember, a flat corrective structure in Elliott wave terms will have 3, which is A, 3, which is B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the impulse, C. So if you have an expanding flat, for example, as is the case here, where we had 3, 3, 5, like that. Every time you see an impulse, what you want to do is to ask yourself if that impulse is not part of a flat corrective structure, right? There's ways in which we arrive at a conclusion by just seeing this impulse, that this impulse must be part of a flat. It cannot be a reversal. There's certain ways, but at least at the most fundamental level, one should be able to ask themselves a question: could this impulse be part of a flat corrective structure, right? And in this case, we knew that this impulse will be a deceiving impulse. It is certainly part of a corrective structure because of certain reasons which are part of the course that which we offer, or the certain reasons which we explain in the course in detail. we knew that we were not to look for a move to the downside after this impulse. We knew that this wasn't going to be a corrective structure for more downside. We already knew. And we therefore let this move happen. And we waited for the conclusion of the 5 waves down from this low, which we now see, and we will be expecting a move down from current levels being this level here. So should we get some corrective structure, a counter trend bounce, then we'll be looking to use one of our very accurate strategies to enter. And if one is interested in analyzing a chart, that could otherwise be very deceiving in a way that which not many people would be able to, and arrive at an analysis that's accurate, and that which at a later stage appears as if the market was curated or was following that particular analysis. One can join our family by clicking on or logging on to www.tradingwaves.com. Right? Then you'd be able to join the family. Just in case there was any doubts, or there was some doubts that we didn't know what was going to happen. I'm just saying it now. Let me just show you that we actually knew that we were going to get an impulsive move. Okay, here is the before and after charts. Let me just show you quickly. So we knew that this impulse is only part of a flat. Before this move happened, we knew that this impulse, which is this impulse here, it's part of a flat corrective structure, right? And we forecasted that we were going to get that move there. And what happened thereafter? Indeed, we got that move. We got the move. That's 1,013 pips. And then after this impulse, we forecasted a correction and a continuation. Isn't that what we got? It looks like it is what we got. Looking at the current chart here, we indeed got this move. And now we are having that move to the downside there. So if you want to do things the way we do them, which we believe is the right way, you can learn the right way by logging on to www.tradingwaves.com and maybe select Get Course, because that information will be contained in the course. All right, I hope this video is of great benefit to you, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Cheers.